All right, everybody, as Mark mentioned, we're gonna sit here by the lake here and cook up our lunch for today. And that, of course, as he mentioned, is the barbecue chicken mac and cheese. So what do we have? We have a can of Swanson premium chunk chicken breast. We've got some Kraft mac and cheese deluxe 4 cheese mac and cheese, and we've got some barbecue sauces that we've scrounged from various fast food restaurants that we'll use as our barbecue sauce. So as Mark's mentioned, he's going to use his Firebox stove. We've got the Totes cup that we were using to measure the water. So basically we're going to boil the water on the stove, and then we're going to cook the chicken on top while the water's boiling underneath, and then we'll just add the noodles when the water's boiling and kind of put it all together. So for right now, we've got the water in the pot, so now we're going to go ahead and get the stove lit, start boiling that water, and then we'll bring you back when we start adding the chicken, and then the macaroni get boiling, and then we'll show you when we're putting it all together. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, so we got the stove lit. We got the zebra pot on there with the right amount of water in it, so that's getting heated up, ready to boil. So Mark went ahead and opened up the cans of chicken, and he's just going to dump them in that bowl right there. We're going to do both cans. We're going to have a lot of chicken today. We're hungry. All right, and then Mark's just going to put that right on top of the bush pot. Let that steam from the boiling water heat up that chicken, and then we'll add the barbecue sauce to it. And then once the water's boiling, we'll add the noodles. So this is all like a nice compact system to make this, barbecue chicken mac and cheese. So, all right, when the water's ready to boil, add the noodles, and the chicken's ready to add the barbecue sauce, we will bring it back and kind of show you putting it all together. All right, everybody, so the water's boiling, the noodles are in there, the chicken's on top in that pan getting heated from the steam from the boiling water. So Mark's just going to go ahead and bust open some of those Chick-fil-A barbecue packets and add the barbecue sauce into that chicken. So yeah, this is just kind of another simple, easy meal that you can make when you're camping. It's a piece of cake. You can do this with this bush pot, this is a zebra bush pot that Mark has that he's using with his Firebox stove. You could do this on a canteen cup kind of cook and just boil that mac and cheese and add the chicken after with the barbecue sauce. There's all different ways you can make this meal, but for us, 2 of us today out here at the lake, just sit back, relax. There he is, just adding that barbecue sauce, the Chick-fil-A barbecue sauce into the chicken. So all right, we're gonna let that heat up, caramelize a little bit, and then we'll put it all together, and we'll kind of show you that final product. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody, so we've got the pan of chicken that we were heating up from the boiled water back onto the stove to help caramelize that barbecue sauce a little bit. Mark's adding the cheese packet into the strained macaroni. So basically all he did was he used one of the grates from the Firebox kit, put it on top of that zebra pot, and then used that to strain out the liquid. And now he's just dropping the cheese in there, and then we'll stir that up and let it get all mixed together, and then I'll pay attention to the chicken and stir that a little bit so it doesn't burn on the bottom, and then we'll show you the final product when we're ready to eat. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientists.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. All right, everybody, so we've spooned out, made our bowls. So Mark's using his plate right here. So he's got, look at that, mac and cheese with this barbecue chicken with his Gerber Complete Spork. Right. And I've got my bowl from my seatosummit 1-quart pot. So I'm just going to use this bowl, and I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. I'll get a utensil and use it, but that's what we have. So great, another great lunch today down by the lake here at Lake Alma in Wellington, Ohio. Tomorrow we're getting ready to go, as I mentioned, to our Intro to Survival class at the Dave Canterbury's School for Self-Reliance Outfitters. We actually saw him in his Jeep at the Exxon station we're supposed to meet at tomorrow, so that was kind of cool just to see him the day before we're going to class. Didn't get a chance to talk to him. Looks like he was making a video, so didn't want to interrupt. But anyway, so we're going to sit and enjoy this lunch. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll come back to you soon with another video. Take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.